Really? Give me a break.
Shall we?
That's 29.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, John, just.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you.
You traitor. Okay. You're old now.
Oh, you're not going to keep going?
How many more?
Oh, you don't.
We're running out of breath.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
Don't spit on the cake. Sorry. This is going on YouTube, so.
Wait a minute, excuse me. Let me hide this.
Yeah.
We got far. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Pitiful. That looked like some I would do right there.
Oh, those are sparkly ones.
Yeah, they are.
Okay. Come on. It doesn't matter. They're sparkly ones.
Wet. The cake gonna be wet.
That was my plan.
Yeah. Don't do that.
Do it.
You're gonna burn your finger.
You want me to blow it out, Mama?
Lily, you know you better.
How do they do that on TV?